How to verify phone number on Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have installed Discord application in your device. Once it is so, open your Discord app, then get logged into your Discord account. Once done, you will see a page like this. Here you have to tap on Use section on your bottom right hand side. As it is so, you will see a gear icon on your top right hand side. You have to tap onto it. Once done, under Account Settings, tap onto the option that says Account. And likewise, under Account Information, you will see a username, display name, email, and phone number. In order to verify your phone number, tap onto your phone. Likewise, if you have not added your phone number, you have to type in the phone number and then tap on Next. And now a code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the code here, then tap Verify. Lastly, you have to type in the password of your Discord account. Once done, tap on Done, and this is how easily you can verify your phone number in your Discord account. So that is all for today, guys. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.